Picture this. The game's on the line, the crowd is roaring, adrenaline surges, but you're fast asleep. Snoring louder than a stadium crowd, you're in a league of your own. But what if we told you, there's a way to change the game? Enter the anti-snoring Headgear, your new MVP. It's designed to keep your airways open, ensuring silent nights and sound sleep. You won't just be a champ in the daytime, but a sleep superstar at night. And remember, the best defense is a good offense. Take action today, silence the snoring, and start scoring those dream-filled nights. With the anti-snoring Headgear, you're always in the game. Sleep like a pro, wake up a winner. The anti-snoring Headgear, your new game plan for a silent night.